ready to bridge the gap between the physical and digital world. Let's create a QR code for your website link. First, head to a free online QR code generator, like QR Code Monkey, QR Code Generator, or even Canva. In the URL field, carefully type or paste the exact website address you want the QR code to link to. Double-check for any typos. Accuracy is key. Now comes the fun part: customization. Most generators let you change the colors of the code, add your logo in the center, or even tweak the shape of the corners to match your branding. This helps make your QR code stand out. For example, you can upload your business logo to the center of the QR code. Just be sure it doesn't cover too much of the code itself. It still needs to be scannable. Once you are happy with your design, click the Generate QR Code button. Now, download the QR code in a high-resolution format, like PNG or SVG. This will ensure it looks crisp and clear when printed or displayed online. You're all set. Now you can seamlessly embed this code into your business cards, marketing materials, website, or any other promotional place. Congratulations, you have a functional and branded QR code. Subscribe for more quick and helpful marketing tutorials.